you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. Today it is that time of month. It is collaboration time with my Beauty Over 40 girls, which I also love so much. We're growing slowly, but we are growing, and I just love each and every one of them. So this month we are jumping ahead. The theme for this month is holiday, so we're all creating holiday looks. We all know that, you know, they're going to be holiday parties, they're going to be home parties, so we want to jump ahead of the game and give you guys some looks for you guys can recreate. So definitely make sure you check out all the girls that are joining this month's collaboration. They all work so hard. They put so much effort into these looks and creating and editing these videos. So I just want to personally take the time out and thank each and every one of you guys for joining my collaboration. I don't want to take up a lot of you guys' time, but definitely make sure you check out the girls' videos as well. I'll have all the information down below. And again, stay tuned for my look.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to lotion my hands first. It's always the first thing I do when I sit down. And then I moisturize my lip. But welcome back to Beauty Over 40. And it is collab time with my girls of Beauty Over 40. And this month we're doing a holiday thing. November, December, January, knocking on our door. So we want to kind of jump in front of those months and create looks for you guys. So this month we're doing a holiday theme. And I have a package here. So I'm going to see this package here I got from Dream Cosmetics. You guys have heard me mention Dream Cosmetics before. I do have a discount code down below, but I have the Silent Killer palette, I have the Gemini palette, and I have one more that I can't reach right now. They're all really great palettes, so I'm excited to see what's inside. Hopefully we can use something that's in here that can work with our holiday looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare and my makeup application, and then I'll be back. All right, makeup is done. I'm back, and let's go ahead and open this package. I know the kind of look like in my head that I want to do, but we don't know what's in this package, so let's just see, and then we will go from there. Feels like it's a couple items actually. Okay, so first item I pull out is a Blue Moon palette. Sounds really, really beautiful. We all love blue, right? Ooh, look at this. I love this mint color right here. That's really pretty. But based on the look I want to do in my head, this is not going to work. We will play with this another time. So let's set that to the side, and let's see what this is. Here's another little something. I'm not sure what that is. I love the imagery though. It's very pretty. All right, let's see what this is. Seems like it's a little mini palette. Can't get it out. All right, so, oh, that's a cute little palette. That's perfect for traveling. And in my head, I definitely wanted to use like some colors like this, but we have a few more items to open, so let's find out what those are. There's another little something. Oh, these are just too cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, forgot to show this. How cute. I definitely have to create a look with these. Look at that blush. That is gorgeous. I love that. That is so pretty. You guys know me. I would definitely use that for an eyeshadow. And looks like here's another one. There's another one, and ooh, that's pretty. A highlighter. That is gorgeous. I may have the top, what I have on. I definitely may have the top. Revisit that after I do these eyes. So let's see. So I definitely want to use this. So I think I'll use this little palette here along with some other things. Again, in my head, I had a vision of what I want my look to look like. So we're just gonna go ahead with that. All right, so we're gonna start with this little palette. I don't know, not a name of it, but there is a link already in my bio to Dream Cosmetics as well as my discount code. So with an eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna start with the Marc Wile eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna put some of that on the lid. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this little color here. We're just gonna pack that in our crease. Just pack that in. You know how you do a smoky eye, just pack it in that way. Okay, blend the edges out a little bit of kickback. I don't want to make the crease too dark, so I'm gonna see where this takes me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the, let's see, I haven't used this one a lot. Let's pull out the Silent Killer palette. So let's pull that out, and I'm really looking for like a dark brown. All right, let's go to the Gemini palette. Oops. And it's not a dark brown in here either. Jeez, girl. Ugh. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. Put that in the inner and outer. I'm going to darken up that as well. This one at the bottom. All right, I'm gonna go to Marc Wile palette. You guys know I love this palette. It's so beat up. I'm gonna go into this chocolate brown right here, and we're gonna put that in our inner and outer. We want it dark, but not too dark. I don't want it black. Okay, that's pretty good. So for the inner part, okay, I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm thinking in my head, okay? All right, and this is, I'm pretty sure this is definitely discontinued at MAC, but I'm gonna take this, what is this called? This is called Copper Thorn. It's like a cream eyeshadow basically. So I'm gonna take some of this here, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this bottom pigment and a little bit of this glitter and a little bit of copper glitter as well. So I'm gonna mix that in. I haven't did a cut crease in a very long time, so I'm gonna try to do a halo with this because I want it just right in the center. So yeah, I guess defined. It's not as defined as I want it, but it's still pretty. Really simple. This is really, like, really creamy. Hopefully it dries down okay. And I do see a little of everything that I added in. So that's good. You know, when you think about holidays, you think about glitz and glam, you know, holiday party, like you want to shimmer and shine, right? So a little shimmer and shine on the eyes won't hurt. Ooh, very itchy. I want to bring, as you can see on this one, you can see the line, the definition. I want to bring that down just a little bit more and leave that focus just in the center. I like it. All right, so that didn't take as long as I thought it would. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. I already have on my lip, which is also a Dream Cosmetics lippy, but I'll I'll show you which one I have here just for the video. All right, for lashes, I'm using lashes that I have on my website. You guys are in the market for lashes. I do have lashes on my website. These are the Sculpt lashes, so we're gonna apply those. Love it. I haven't worn big lashes in a minute. All right, so I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be back. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys for joining me, and definitely make sure you check out all the girls. I have all their information down below. If you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at LRH Makeup, also on TikTok at LRH Makeup, and also my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.